Hey guys, so a few weeks ago I got this expansion tank cap at a swap meet and I paid $3. Yeah, it looks horrible. It's dirty, it's got some scaling, some rust, staining, you name it. It's old, but it's the original thing. And this is one of the many aftermarket expansion tank caps that I bought in the past. These things are not correct. I mean, they fit, they look pretty much identical, but there are differences if you're after kind of like a factory correct restoration. For example, the writing is upside down. They're kind of very white. The original ones are more like a translucent off-white plastic. And these aftermarket things, they just, after a few months, they just break. They just split and they become useless. So buy one if you really have to. The original one is durable. And even though this one looks horrible, I'm going to give it a good bath and we'll see what happens. So I started by giving it dish soap and hot water bath, and the results, as you can see, they were pretty good. There's still a lot of staining and stuff that is probably like heat, engine bay heat related, but no big deal. So I decided to give it a 30-minute bath in CLR to see if that would remove most of the rust. So anyway, I allowed the thing to soak in there for about 30 minutes. And I think the results were pretty good. After that, I rinsed the thing and then I gave it another bath in a 50-50 solution of water and bleach. And this is what I ended up with. It looks really good, I think, in my opinion. Again, some of the yellowing is probably heat related. Nothing I can do about that really. It also seems to either be missing one of those retention straps, whatever, rings, whatever they're called. But anyway, as you can see, it's pretty clean. And these things look good. I don't expect this one, which is the original one to my car, to fail anytime soon. But for $3, I'll take the spare. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.